Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple and very fresh green chutney recipe made with mint and coriander leaves. This chutney tastes so delicious and a perfect combination for idli and pongal. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe and support the channel. Let's get started. In a mixer jar, add about 1 cup of fresh coconut. If you are using frozen coconut, make sure it is at room temperature. Add 2 teaspoons of roasted chana dal. It gives very nice texture and consistency to the chutney. Next, I am adding 2 green chilies, a very small piece of tamarind, a small piece of jaggery, handful of coriander leaves and mint leaves. These fresh mint leaves are from my garden. Look how beautiful it is. It smells so fresh. Add salt as per your taste. Add enough water to grind. When you make mint chutney, don't use mint leaves alone. Add some coriander leaves as well. Otherwise, the chutney will turn out slightly blackish. Look at this, how beautiful the texture is and nice green color as well. Let's do quick tempering. Tadka. Add half a teaspoon of oil, 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds, few fresh curry leaves. Let's pour this on the chutney. It smells amazing. A quick and easy green chutney is ready to enjoy with idli or pongal. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. If you have liked this recipe, I'm sure you're going to like this recipe as well. Please check it out.